Do you speak Menglish? Menglish is a language that sounds a lot like normal English that women speak, but certain words and phrases can have entirely different meanings. If you work in an auto dealership, failure to understand Menglish can lead to catastrophic communication issues. In all seriousness, most women have felt misunderstood at some point in their automotive careers. And when women are promoted into managerial roles, one of the biggest challenges they face is communication. Hi, I'm Melissa Maldonado. In my workshop, I'm going to show you how to take the initiative so you can learn why you're being misunderstood. I'll break down key gender differences in communication styles, and I'll even teach some basic Menglish so that you know what, when, and how to communicate with men at work. In addition, I'm going to give all the lady bosses out there some practical tips and tools to help them more effectively manage men and become better leaders. I look forward to seeing you at the Women in Automotive Conference in Orlando.